Hi my favorite people, and welcome back to my channel. So you know how it is on this channel. Is either you learn how to make money or you learn how to save money. So on today's video, you already know what is showing on your screen. I want to show you how I did my mixed grain for pap. So all you'll be needing here is different kinds of grain. Here I have my millet. You know that millet has so much dust and sand, so you need to wash and wash until it's thoroughly washed. Now the next thing I'm doing is to go in with my white corn. Like I said, I'm using different grain for this. White corn, wash. Going with my Guinea corn, the red one. Wash, sieve. This one, you know, this one has so many shafts, the black eye and stuff like that. So you try to clean as much as possible and be sure that everything is properly cleaned. Now the next thing is my yellow corn. I'm using 4 grains here: millet, 2 different kinds of corn, the white and the yellow, then the red Guinea corn. All right, I mix everything together, get my clean pot and put everything in the pot and allow for 3 days. So this is the next day. I wanted to wash it off, so I want to show you how it is day 1. All right, so I washed it off and kept repeating the same procedure till 3 days. This is the 3rd day. We want to go to the mill to grind it. If you have a very strong blender, please do well to do. But you know, we're in Nigeria. I have a very good blender, but there is no light, so I had to go to the mill to blend it. Here I'm home and I need to extract the water from the shaft. So I had to use you can use a fine strainer. I used different method here. So this is one of the method I'm using. If this one is easier for you, please by all means use this method. If using your juice extractor is easier for you, because if there was light I would have used my juice extractor, it was far easier. All right, so I had to use this method again to squeeze. If this is the method that is easier for you, by all means please do. And hello, if you've come to this point, you've not subscribed to my channel, hello, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscription button, give this video a thumbs up, ask questions, and be rest assured that we'll do justice to all your questions. At this point I am done with the pap and sifting it, so I had to leave it to settle very well. After a few hours that I was seeing that it has settled well, I had to transfer it into my pap bag to help me extract the water and get it strong. All right, so I had to leave this overnight and I placed a stone on it to help me extract all the water. And the next day, this is our pap. You don't need to be on this channel and you keep asking someone for urgent 2k. No, that's wrong. You can do this for business and you can save money with this. Your pap is very ready. You are sure of what you are eating and what you are giving to your family. So if you have a Ziploc at this point, please do well to put into your Ziploc and put them in your freezer or your fridge. If you don't have, get a bowl that has a cover, transfer it into the bowl and place them in your freezer or on your freezer, whichever one is correct. It's fine, just do what is good. Okay, so this is how we made our mixed grain pap. All right, so are you going to do this? Have you tried this before? Then if you want it to be in powder form, maybe you don't have light, please dry it, blend it into powder, and you are good to go. All right, thank you very much for watching and God bless you.